Hey y'all, today is gonna look a little bit different than what we're typically used to here on the channel, and that's for good reason, because we're here in a different kitchen. We're back here in small town Ohio for Turkey Day, which coincidentally was yesterday, not today. With the holidays come tradition, and there is no tradition that I personally gain from more than Leftovers Day. Today, we're going to be taking all of the leftovers from Turkey Day and mixing together into one sandwich that is truly better than the sum of its parts. But first, we're going to have to take a good old look at the refrigerator to see what it is that we have available to us in our kitchen raid. And the first thing you'll notice is that there's a striking difference between the fridge of a grad student and that of my parents. And that's mainly that we have coffee creamer here. Grad students don't have money for that. Let's see what we have here. Roasted red peppers. What is this? Oh, that's green bean casserole. I'm taking mashed potatoes, stuffing. Shit. I'm not causing a mess. Oh god, I guess we are using that. And the only time that this is acceptable to use cranberry sauce is in this sandwich. Any other time is just evil. There, they knew I was coming for it. Oh my god. Oh, it's pinned. What the hell is that? Yeah, we're taking that. That's mine. Now that we got everything from the fridge ready to go, you're gonna set your oven at 350 and let that go. What are you looking at? Next thing you'll know that's different about this kitchen as compared to your own is you have this constant beggar down here. Look at those eyes. Who are you looking at? Who's your good girl? Who's your good girl? Aluminum foil. You're gonna take 2 or 3 pieces. We did a smoked turkey this year, so you're gonna get a lot of flavor from that. Anyways. Get in there and just kind of shred it. You don't want to go too crazy with the turkey here because you want to keep everything within the structural confinement of the bread. And let me tell you, if you have too much turkey, this is going to come flowing off the sides. This is probably more than I need. But we're going to make it work. And by make it work, I mean give it her. Oh, who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Aren't you, Maya? We're going to take our pan, take your turkey, push it down, and you want to just kind of imagine the size of a sandwich that you got going on here. Take our awesome dill mashed potatoes, put a little protective layering on this. No proportioning whatsoever. This is just whatever you're feeling at the moment. Green bean casserole, which is pretty much just a can of cream of mushroom soup with bacon and green beans. Probably the most Midwestern casserole that I've ever seen. And it's gonna be at every Thanksgiving until I die. Stop giving me those eyes. Those eyes. Next, you're gonna put a little bit of your stuffing on. And that is way too much. I can already see that this sandwich is getting too big. It's a little bit of salt and ground pepper. And also put on a little bit of fire roasted red veggies. All right, found the cheese grater. Take your block of cheese. I mean, don't have to be a mad scientist about this. So we took the gravy from the drippings of the turkey this year, and since it was a smoked turkey, we got a real thick and potent gravy. So we're only gonna use just a little bit. A little goes a long way. And take that, and throw that in there. All right, be free. All right, so now we got about 10 to 15 minutes while this is melting and bringing everything up to temperature. So first, we're gonna clean up everything that we've already started because, yeah. But after that 10 to 15 minutes is done, we're gonna spend a little bit of time getting our bread ready and then putting it all together into the most amazing and delectable dinner that you can have. I guess it's dinner for some. For me, it's breakfast, seeing as it's 10 a.m. Oof. So now you're gonna take your bread and come over here and, what are you looking at? What do you want? Today. Take your toast. Well, it's bread. And just put it in the toaster and just set it to approximately that many toasties. It's approximately done now. See? You can tell by the fact that it's done. We're gonna take this mayonnaise. This is the important thing. You're gonna take the smallest amount of this cranberry sauce. We just want it for a little bit of acidity. But we got this. Oh yeah, that's good. You can tell it's done by the fact that everything is melted together. Close that up so we don't burn the house down. Okay. And that is 1 unit. Look at that. Look at that approximation. You close it up. We're gonna attempt to cut this in half, but this is just gonna go poorly. God, this is one absolute unit of a frickin' sandwich. As you can tell, this is a delicious looking leftovers meal. And I hate to say this, but this is the first time I can actually say that the cranberry sauce adds something to the dish. Because we've got so much else going on here, it actually does what it's supposed to. Cut through all the fatty richness because it provides a little bit of acidity, and man, it is just delicious. Last thing I want to say to y'all is thank you so much for watching. You know, myself and Maya really do appreciate it. You can see her here. All I have left to say is thank you so much for watching, guys. Your support really does mean a lot to me. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and better yet, share with any family and friends that you think would enjoy this channel. Can you stop? She wants belly rubs right now, so I can't talk for too much longer. I've got to deal with this baby here. But once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you all next time.